When I moved up to the Maryland territory, I had an opportunity to actually work with Kevin and his expertise, and I took it and I ran with it. My name is Stephen Goss. I work for Boast and Filtrex Incorporated. We're out of Germantown, Maryland. I found out about PureAir about 15 years ago. I was working for a competitor based out of Atlanta. And at the time, I was coming up against Kevin Jamison, who's the president of PureAir, frequently on municipality odor control projects. For 4 or 5 years, we basically competed against each other. Friendly competition, and we would see each other at trade shows. When I moved up to the Maryland territory, I had an opportunity to actually work with Kevin and his expertise, and I took it and I ran with it. When I became a customer, I was looking for a manufacturer in the United States that had a large-scale capabilities to produce media. We picked up a couple of large contracts specifically for odor control, where we had to move hundreds of thousands of pounds of permanganate and carbon locally here in the DC area. PureAir was able to come through and be that supplier for us. I did a small project a couple years back at a local hospital in the DC area. It was a high-profile helipad style molecular project where we were ducting in for high-level clientele coming for emergency style situations, and the intakes were going into an operating room. I had a very tight location and very, very strict requirements where I had to make custom style flanges. PureAir made pretty much a perfect style application. It fit to a T. We craned it up, dropped it in place, and we were able to get the helipad intakes up and running in a shorter time period than we expected. I'd absolutely recommend PureAir to my business colleagues. We use them throughout the area. They are very fast in response, very fast on delivery, and they're very technical in the way they respond.